The film has been doing really well. It's already premiered in Canada. Then it went across the country. Then it had the international premiere. So Boxcutter was at South by Southwest. New York premiere just happened, but LA premiere. This is where I'm at. So I'm excited to have some Toronto kids out here. How are you guys feeling?
Feeling good. I'm excited.
How did New York receive this like super Toronto-centric project?
The themes are universal, so wherever you play it, hopefully there's things that you can connect to. And then Toronto is just the backdrop, it's the soul, it's the community.
Right now, the World Series is going heavy.
Between the beef last year and now the World Series, like I feel like Boxcutter is maybe that bridge, you know what I'm saying? The cultural exchange, like we come in peace, let's just share in this moment together type vibe, you know what I mean?